Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since my last video, but you'd have to understand summer in Cape Town, and especially in Gordons Bay, is forbiddenly windy to drones. But I want to show you some of my favorite places, so let's go fly. And in winter, this would be the top pool at the end of the Crystal Pools hike. Right out there's the last little peak. And if you'd continue to the left, there's a pathway going down that way. Oh, look at the pool there, isn't that nice? A nice little paddling pool for you before you continue your trip over towards the dam wall. And we're heading in that direction right now. There's the Steenbras Dam coming into view. Coming up on the left is the forest-bound holiday resort, which we used to enjoy in the 70s and 80s. Of course, the rondavels are still there, the swimming pools and a few other details that you would enjoy in a standard holiday resort. Oh, and look straight down below there, there's the steel bridge across the Steenbras River, and along the gravel walkway leading to it is a finely crafted rock and stone work walkway. And there's the dam wall up close with the beautiful indigenous botanical gardens below. Also beautifully crafted stone pathways from the 70s. Returning home and downstream, we see on the right the deserted resort. You may, if you pause here, be able to see a cabin or two in the woods. Beautiful as the return journey is along this canyon, you can't help but be drawn to that beautiful picture up ahead of the Indian Ocean. Well, False Bay, that's disputed whether it's the Indian Ocean, probably we call that the Atlantic, but there, Simonstown and Cape Point in the distance. You can just about spot Smithwinkle Bay, maybe Fishhook to the right of the canyon there. Yeah, what a beautiful view. Now we're coming back to the Steenbras River mouth. We get a close-up view of the bridge there and Table Mountain in the distance. But thank you for joining me on my journey into the hidden beyond of Gordons Bay. Please like and subscribe.